Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is after a very long time that I have started recording videos and I have decided that I will be documenting my life on YouTube, on Insta maybe. I will be posting things because I think what actually happens is that the reason why I have started recording and the reason why I have sorry about my throat, I'm actually suffering from cold right now. So yesterday basically it was raining cats and dogs, so I decided to take bath, which has caused the problem even more, which has basically worsened the problem. Anyways, so the reason why I have thought of recording everything and documenting everything and then posting it on YouTube on social medias is because I really want to record things, but because I do not have much storage in my phone, so I can't really keep them for a long time. So why not just post everything on social media and then you can just visit it whenever you want to visit, whenever you want to talk about it, and whenever you want to rewatch everything that you have been doing in your life. And right now I'm just going to my job. This is my outfit and this is the bag that I got from Studio. It is literally the same bag that I had from Uniqlo. The one that I bought from Uniqlo was for 1500 rupees, but this one is very cheap. This is just 300 rupees, and it is very convenient to carry small stuffs like your phone, your wallet, and then some cash and then other stuffs. My cab is just on the way. It has not reached the location, but I'm already going downstairs because the lift is not working and I have to go at the ground floor from 6th floor, which is gonna take a while. So I am going downstairs and going to stand at my location before the cab comes because I really do not want the cab driver to wait for me. Anyways, so I haven't had anything since morning because I did not cook anything. I mean, I do not understand what actually I should be cooking, which can just take a few minutes and then it is ready for me to consume. I do not want to spend a lot of time into cooking because I'm not really much interested in cooking. So I'll just have something from my office. There is a cafeteria from where I can have something, and it is like quite reasonable. Like in 53 rupees or in 63 rupees, you can get like a whole plate of rice, dal, and then paneer, and then some other stuff as well, like salad and all. So yeah, today I'm going to record everything about my job. I just reached the ground floor. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. And then let's see when my cab driver is going to call me. And yeah, that's all. I'll just I'll just start recording again once I reach my office so that I can show you my office as well. So here I had already come at my location. My cab was just about to come in a couple of minutes. However, because I had already reached at my location and I was feeling a bit hungry because I did not have anything since morning, so I decided to buy this packet of diet because obviously I did not want to spend my money into something which is not healthy. So I decided that diet is quite healthy, so I bought it for 10 rupees. And then here my cab had already come, so I sat in the cab and then I was just enjoying my diet while the cab driver here was going to take me to the office. And then I was trying to adjust my phone to record everything and to record how I'm having my I don't know what to say. I was just trying to record everything because I just wanted to show how I sit in the cab, and then I'm literally sitting at the back of the cab because in the front side people were already sitting because there were some other employees as well who were boarded from other locations, and I was the last one to get picked up. So I was trying to record everything. And then here, this is basically the route from where we go to the office. And from here, once I get out of this underpass, I will show you how the buildings look like here in Gurgaon. And even though everything looks very, these buildings look really fancy and attractive, however, when you actually live in them, then you find how there are so many other problems as well that you have to deal on daily basis. Then this was the lunch that I had in my office, and this is how it looks like. I just got it in 53 rupees. Now I could not record everything, so I just came back, and then this is the time when I'm coming back from my office, and this is how. Thank you so much for watching my video to the very end. And because this was the first video which I made like this, so obviously it wasn't really good. I could not talk about each and everything that was happening, but yeah, I'll keep posting, keep supporting.